Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on Ludicrous Feed. You're with Tesla Tom. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome.
In 200 meters, turn left, then you will reach your destination.
We talk about the impending energy revolution that's about to hit Australia and worldwide. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to hit subscribe. We'd love for you to keep up to date with our latest videos. Alright, today we're going to show you how to get to the Camaray Stocklands shopping centre, which has a 3-phase Tesla charger. Now, this shopping centre is only 5 to 10 minutes away from the St Leonard's Supercharger here in Sydney. And if you need more food options, particularly on the weekend, then I certainly recommend you coming here to check it out. Now, I was just going to do a straight review of this destination charger, but along the way I learned something about all the Tesla destination chargers, which I will share with you later on in this video. Okay, well, to get to the shopping centre, just turn left after going northbound on Miller Street. And the street is called Amherst Street, and you'll find the car park entrance quite easy to find and well signed. And it's tucked in between the shopping centre and the apartment block next door. Go down this ramp, and parking is 2 hours free. And it's ticketed, so grab a ticket. There's no license plate recognition in the shopping centre. Now, this car park is shared by the residents who live in the building above the shopping centre. And once you get into the car park, swing a left where it says residents/visitors, sharp left. It's not too tight, it's quite easy to maneuver around, and you'll see the well-signed EV parking spot straight away. It's quite good. I've never seen this spot iced because it's quite well signed, and the spot is not too tight either, so you can certainly back in or drive forward depending which way you want to face. Right, so once you're parked, there's two options. There's either the Tesla 3-phase destination charger, or there is also a J1772 Type 1 charger in case you have a non-Tesla vehicle. There is a picture of my car. It's quite a nice private spot between two pillars, and as I said, it's quite well signed as well, clearly marked electric vehicle parking only. As I said, there is a J1772 charger owned by ChargePoint, and also the 3-phase Tesla destination charger. This next bit I will show you how I attempted to charge my car using the Tesla charger. So normally you would unhook the cable from the charger and proceeded to charge my car. But as you'll soon see that when I plug the cable in, normally the lights will turn green after they are white if everything's working correctly. But as you can see, it went blank and there was no light at all. Now this tells me that the charger isn't working. And I also checked my dash, which informed me that the charger wasn't working and there was no charge from that particular charger. So I proceeded to go to the management office in the car park, called the number on the door and told the lady that the charger wasn't working. And now this is where I had my epiphany. She said she was going to pass this on to Tesla. And that's when the penny dropped for me, when I realized, oh, are all these destination chargers scattered throughout hotels and restaurants and cafes all managed by Tesla? I mean, I know they're free to install, but I hadn't realized that Tesla was also in charge and accountable for their maintenance. And I started to wonder, what about the electricity that's used to charge all our cars? I mean, who pays for the electricity? Does the proprietor pay for electricity, or does Tesla reimburse the electricity to the establishment? I know some of my viewers are owners of establishments such as hotels and restaurants, so if you're one of those people, please leave a comment. I'd like to know whether you actually pay for electricity or whether Tesla pays for your electricity to charge these cars who visit your place. I would be very interested to know. Anyway, back onto my video. Stockland Camaray is quite nice. There are quite a lot of shops and restaurants around the area, including a nice Japanese place. There's also Harris Farm, which is a supermarket. And it's only a short walk out to Miller Street, where there is the main drag of Camaray, and there's plenty of shops and restaurants for you to have a meal while your car is charging. And there you have it, Stockland Camaray as an alternative to the Tesla Supercharger, particularly useful on the weekend if you require a meal while you are charging. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Hopefully it's a lovely day wherever you are in this world, and as always, happy charging. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being part of the energy revolution. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit subscribe to keep up to date with our latest videos. If you're about to buy a Tesla, use our promo code on screen to score free unlimited supercharging. Happy charging!